guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this is the latest episode. We are starting hopefully a new series. I'll see where it sort of goes. We've got this Mazda 6 TS 2-litre 150 brake that we picked up off Facebook Marketplace for £650. Sorry, the wind is quite bad today, so you might have a bit of audio issues coming through your ears, but this is the damage we've got. We've had a bit of a fight with a wall or a different car, not exactly sure, but no headlight damage. Literally just these two panels need a bit of body work. Rest of the car is pretty straight. Wheels need a good clean. Got good tyres all round. Got a little dent on this quarter, and I think on the door on the other side. What else can I show you? We've got a lovely boot. He actually cleaned it before I got there. He literally had it up on Facebook Marketplace for 20 minutes. Oh, we've got a spare tyre down there as well. Lovely. And a few wrappers. He actually only had it up for 20 minutes and I took it off him. I said, I want it. I want it off you straight away. We came to a deal. It was up for £750. I got 100 off just because I noticed the anti-roll bar links. There was a good bit of knocking in the steering, so I actually managed to knock him down a little. So we got a bit more money in the kitty, a bit more profit to make. We've got cruise control. We've got 6 CD changer, 6 gears. It's a lovely interior. No cigarette burns on these seats. Lovely little family car. Needs a good valet, as you can see. But for a 55 plate, this interior is lovely. I've got this, obviously the 7 plate Mini. I've had a Clio, but this Mazda, I've never sat in a Mazda, and I'm really impressed with the interior. Really happy with what I picked up. So yeah, guys, it's not the cleanest thing in the world, but I think for £650 we can easily get over £1,000 for this if we just put a couple of quid in for the bodywork on this, a few little bits to tighten up like the number plates. We've also got, let me show you, I didn't like that they've had roof racks and the covers are missing off there, so I will be replacing that. And like I said, the anti-roll bar links, I think I'm going to do track rod ends at the same time. Clean it all up, get the brake dust that is caked up on those alloys off. Good clean, tyre shine, all the upholstery cleaner. Yeah, see if we can turn this around in just this one video over this weekend now. Hopefully the weather gets a bit better, but I haven't got much hope for that. And yeah, hopefully these panels will be back within the next week then, and we'll have a good see what sort of profit we can make in just a week's worth of work. I know this is very minor work, but I'm very hopeful that we can turn a decent profit on this just for the price that I got it for, and with the amount of MOT on it. So we'll see where it goes, guys, but I hope you will all enjoy the episode and we see what we can do. Just like that, guys, we've got the bumper and the wing off. Wing was pretty easy. It was just a couple of 10s and 8 mils all around. They're pretty easy to find. You don't have to go in the door for this one. It's literally 2 bolts on the bottom and just a couple around, and then you have to just dig around, because where the these two connect, you just gotta disconnect that, of course, with 8mm. And then the only problem we had, let me just get the bolt out of my pocket. Sorry, I should have been prepared. But we've got these Phillips heads in here. You have to get a 10 or an 8mm up behind there, and I actually shredded it off with the impact. I tried using my impact driver, just the handheld one, but I got the wrench on it, and yeah, we just shredded. So we're gonna have to replace the bolts and brackets, but that shouldn't be too costly, couple quid. So yeah, we're gonna transfer these into the car, and then next thing, we're gonna get this thing just pulled in ever so slightly into the garage, and get the anti-roll bar links and track rod ends changed over, and hopefully then we just have to wait, get these painted, and then we'll be able to give it a clean and ready to go, pretty much, guys. So I'll catch you in the next clip. So guys, this is the bumper and the wing resprayed in the sunlight. The weather has gotten considerably better since I filmed the first clip. I was editing it earlier just to see where I was, and this is where we are now. It has come out perfectly. That's just a bit of dust. I got a brand new plate to go on now. The paint has come out unreal. I honestly never have any complaints. He is my boy, and it has come out incredibly good. I am so pleased. I love brand new paint. He gave it a flat and polish as well. Hopefully it matches up nicely. We shall see now. But I just can't believe it in the sunlight. It looks so good. There we are, just getting a couple of clips there of the brand new paint. He said he had a couple of reactions, and he had to spray it twice, I think, just because of the old paint. I believe it's had repairs before, but the shape is literally, you saw it before. I'll put a before clip and now the after, and it's come out so good. I'm blowing smoke up his ass because he's probably watching the video. I don't want him to keep up good work, but this has come out so good. For a 55 plate, I'll have no complaints. But let's get these on the car, guys. We'll see how the whole car looks back together in one piece. Underneath the car, and I fitted all the 8mm bolts that I was holding sort of the under tray together. So as you can see, we have got the arch liners fitted, and underneath, nothing hanging down, everything is tight and secure. I've actually I've managed to get the new number plate in and fitted nice and tight. It's a bit loose there. I'll check the Phillips screw behind now. All nice gaps either side and all round. Now I've just put on the battery because it was dead. Hopefully we'll get sitting here about, I want to say 800, just over 800. Gotta clean this right out, as I bought it off a guy and he said he cleaned it out, but I don't think he did a very good job. So I'm very happy, over the moon actually, with how it came out. I think the bonnet has faded a little. I'm gonna switch that engine off a minute. But like I was saying, I am over the moon with how this came out. Probably put a little before and after here, just of this paneling, just on the side. As I'm really happy. Couldn't be happier really. That new plate just sets it off now. Hopefully get it cleaned and up for sale, and hopefully I can do a price breakdown then. Right guys, as you just saw, I cleaned the car from top to bottom. It took me from morning to mid-afternoon to get it looking as good as it does. I replaced the anti-roll bar links and the tie rod ends. Drives great, looks great. I took some lovely pictures of it just before it was about to rain again. So that's going to go up on Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to price it just right, I think. I don't want to take too little for it. I want to make a couple of quid on it, and we'll move on to the next build, guys. So if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe button's just down there if you're new. And yeah, I've got plenty on the channel for everyone, I think. And if you've got any sort of suggestions, please pop them down in the comment section down below, because I really do want to make as much content on as many things as I can in the motor sort of industry. And yeah, thank you all for watching, guys, and I'll catch you all in the next one.